Now we are going to start a chapter number 2, more about paint, on page number 11. Open your book, page number 11. Okay. This is your page, chapter number 2, more about paint, chapter number 2, page number 11. Okay. I hope you already have opened page number 11. And class, please mute your mics. Umar Imran, Eman.
तो मतलब उसे टीचर भी म्यूट हो जाए।
टीचर ने कहा नहीं खोल।
Okay. Please, Zoha Asim. Zoha Asim, please
ऑफ की
mute your mic.
वीडियो ऑफ हो।
Zoha Asim, please mute your mic. Okay, now we are going to start reading. Paint is a very simple drawings program. I hope you already have remembered what you have learned paint in class 2. You already know how to use paint. You often use paint software many times in your school computer lab as well. Okay, now we are going to use the features of paint in detail. Okay, so what will you learn in this chapter? You will learn in this chapter more about paints and its commands and its more commands. So first, let us first learn how to use the select tool and for selecting a part of a drawing. Now I am going to sharing a screen of a paint software in front of you. You have to watch carefully, okay, and follow the steps one by one. Okay, now I am going to sharing the screen in front of you. Reply me in the chat box. Can you see the paint screen in front of you? Reply me in the chat box with yes. Can you see the paint software in front of you? स्टूडेंट्स, क्या आप सबको ये स्क्रीन शो हो रही है मेरे सामने?
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
वरिश, क्या आपको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है जो मैंने शेयर की है? क्या आप सबको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. Now I am going to mute your mic, Warish. Sorry class, the internet is disturbing a lot. Okay. Now we are going to start the paint software. Here is the MS Paint software. Please, someone mic is not muted. Someone mic is not muted. Please mute your mics. Okay, class. Now we are going to start, the internet connection is unstable. That's why we are facing too many problems here. So be patient and stay with me. Okay, here you can see the share screen in front of you. There is a Paint software. First of all, we are following the instructions from your book. So the instruction number 1 on page number 11, that is mentioned, open the Paint window. So we already have opened the Paint window in front of you. The point number 2 is click the Home tab if it is not already selected. So we are already in the Home tab. Okay, so in the image group on the Home tab, click the down arrow and select the, and under the select tool. So firstly, what we have to do, we have to create any object. So hold your mouse on the left side of your Paint software, that is known as the toolbar. You can see my mouse pointer is moving on the toolbar. So select the object and hold your mouse left button and drag it. Now okay, then after that select an other image. Select another image, like here you can see, follow with me, something like that. Okay, okay, so whatever you already know how to use Paint. So we are we are going to learning the features. We are going to learn the advanced features of MS Paint. Okay, that you never used in your previous classes. So firstly, we will fill the color. So fill with color, select any color and fill in the shades. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, so now you can see we have drawn any random object in the Paint software. So what we are going to learn, we are going to learn the select option. Okay, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn the select option. So what the select tool, what is the purpose of the select tool? So the purpose of a select tool is to select any object. The object here, the meaning of object is whatever you draw in the Paint software. आप जो कुछ भी Paint software के अंदर जो कुछ भी आप ड्रॉ करते हो, आप कोई भी ड्राइंग बनाते हो या आप कोई एप्पल बनाते हो या कोई भी किसी किस्म की भी आप ड्राइंग बनाते हो, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, हमने एक ड्राइंग बनाई है, हमने एक ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ किया है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर आपको ड्राइंग के साथ कुछ भी करना है या आपको मैं चाह रही हूँ, मेरा ये पर्पस है कि मैंने ये जो ड्राइंग बनाई है, ये जो मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है आपकी स्क्रीन पे जो आपको शो हो रहा है, मैं चाह रही हूँ कि इसकी पोजीशन को चेंज करूँ. ये सेंटर में मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि मैं इसको सेंटर से मैं इसको अपने राइट साइड पे मूव करूँ. अब तो मैंने ड्रॉ कर दिया है, तो मैं इसको राइट साइड पे कैसे मूव कर सकती हूँ. ओके, जब आप एक दफा किसी भी ड्राइंग को, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आप ड्रॉ कर देते हो, तो आप उसको राइट साइड पे कैसे मूव करोगे. ओके, तो उसको राइट साइड पे मूव करने के लिए हम जो है पेंट सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर एक टूल अवेलेबल होता है, टूल बार के अंदर, उसे कहते हैं सिलेक्ट टूल. तो वो हम सिलेक्ट टूल को चूज करेंगे. ठीक है, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू select pick up the select tool. Here you can see in the left side of the paint software in the toolbar top corner पे आपको ये नजर आ रहा है rectangular box, top dotted rectangular box. When you hover your mouse over here, you can see the name that is shown as, you can see the name shown as the select tool. So we pick up the select tool. Now you can see there plus the mouse pointer changes to the shape of a plus sign. It means you have selected the tool from the toolbar. Okay? जब आपका माउस पॉइंटर जो है, जब वो आप उसको सिलेक्ट टूल को सिलेक्ट करोगे और फिर आपका माउस पॉइंटर सिलेक्ट टूल को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद, टिक करने के बाद जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो जब प्लस पॉइंट में प्लस साइन, okay class, sorry for the disturbance of the network here. Now my voice is clear to all of you. क्या सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Voice is clear? Voice is clear? Okay. Yusra Khan said yes. Students, sorry for the internet disturbance of the connection. I think the net is disturbing today. The connection is unstable here. So now we are going to start our screen, okay? So हम इस point पर थे. We were going to learn the select tool, okay?